Another preamble. Find B and C such that the quadratic inequality x squared plus bx plus c less than 0 has the given solution set. X is such that 3 less than x less than 5.
Metchira wo akwan mienu a ode be solve question we. Ekwan baako no e wakakra. Ekwan na etoso mienu no and dey short. NSMQ quiz no ade ye calculation no ye ma obe 30 seconds to solve the question. But menchira wo trick ni mienu. Obetimi e de less than 20 seconds kra a solve question no etwa. Enti yenko solution. Ye kan preamble ne ma na mo atwe preamble no x squared plus bx plus c e dey at all. Now the formula we are at all. Formula ne open parenthesis x minus r1 close parenthesis times x minus r2 close parenthesis. We say r1 and r2 ne dey. R1 and r2 ne the root of the inequality na e dey amount. Na mecha de question ni mo no yama solution set ne dada. Enti solution set ne yama 3 less than x less than 5. Enti e kire say 3 and 5 will be the root of the inequality no. Enti r1 e be 3, r2 e be 5. Enti baby abehu r1 e wo formula ni mu bia no wo de 3 be shaw. Baby abehu r2 bia no wo de send be shaw 5 mo. Enti no ase wasolve ebe x minus 3 x minus 5. Abe that no algebraic expression. The way I solve we ni say x will multiply x, then the same x will multiply negative 5. When say ubinya x squared minus 5x minus 3 ebe multiply x. Na sa multiply minus 5. Ubinya minus 3x plus 15. Because negative 3 times negative 5. Negate po 3 times 5, 15. Now they show. And to simplify and further. Ubinya x squared minus 5x minus 3x. Ebe mo minus 8x. It is said the word 8. Also akwa deka 3. Ube deka saying 8. 8x plus 15. Wonsa bonkum so no ehọ na awo preamble no nte x squared plus bx plus c. Kire wo say wonsa bonkum de wo wonsa bonkum no ene de wo wonsa enifa so no ye comparison pe equal to sign no ho. Nte kire say x squared wo wonsa bonkum so no ene de wo wonsa enifa so no pe bx any the wo wonsa nifa so which is minus 8x pe. Integer say bx is equal to negative 8x. B ejina homa negative 8 no. C ewo wonsa bonkum so no ejina homa 15 ewo wonsa nifa so. Inti C ebe sen 15. No pija wonsa ka say B is minus 8, C is 15. Then so exam so a no solve na the answer na go no nya correct point. So what I say into way a method 1, method 2 no a faster a cra chain way. Adia I was sharing so e wo question we mean say the coefficient of s squared the ds squared nanim no e saying a 1. Say 1 there yes find b into formula for b ni be minus open parenthesis r1 plus r2 close parenthesis. O formula ni ya catch we say r1 a 3, r2 a 5. Inti yes solve for b b is equal to minus 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 ebe ma 8. Minus 1 times 8 ebe ma minus 8. Therefore b is equal to say minus 8. See in the formula no r1 times r2. R1 a 3 times R2 which is 5. 3 times 5 a 15. Enti C is equal to say 15. Enti ne kra wo video em say ya ma wo preamble no na say the coefficient of s squared a 1 na solution set no take a form of this type number d animu less than x less than number d ekira formula ne b is equal to minus open parenthesis r1 plus r2 close parenthesis. What is she ma obenya b c a formula ne r1 times r2 and makacho say r1 and r2 they are the root of the inequality. What solution set in mu multiplier when you see. So what's your BB every video aha KokoChem Education YouTube channel. Mesro someone subscribe ya but more than so subscribe. So when you be on so school but mass anything but more than so share video na mano. When be all contested for National Science and Maths quiz and now say all quarter exams. Tricks we na bit ma boa onya no amana tinya passe ne exams ana amana dinim ewo NSMQ competitions ni mo. Essence me pesa wote asenti no me videos ni bi twi na ma ye bi wo grofo. Me da wase so ni me so adene. Ma me hu wadwenche ewo comment section ase. Yesa be di hyiamu biem. Na bia ka hu say practice makes permanent.
Think